Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou Smart Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this device. Basically how quickly the screen will turn off after we stop using our watch. Before we start, if you want to change the screen timeout duration on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Haylou Phone application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Haylou Phone application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, let's tap on Me, select our Haylou Smart Watch 2 from the list of devices. On this page, scroll down, find the option called Device Settings and tap on it. And here we have option called Duration Off on the screen or on screen. Tap on it and we have three durations. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds and 15 seconds. Select the one you like, for example 10 seconds, and then you can go back to the home page or the device page and you can close the app if you want. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 10 seconds of an activity. So I'm gonna wake it up. And as you can see, after 10 seconds, it turns off. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.